All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have a very special package. We are going to be installing the Xforce Varex Xforce exhaust for the year 11 to 14 Mustang GT. This is an active exhaust system, which means I can open and close the valve and I can get a quieter or louder sound out of it. I'm gonna go through the install today. I'm on my phone, so please bear with me for the quality. This should not take me too long, hopefully, but on my channel, things never go the way they should go. All right, so this is everything out of the box here. Get the nice muffler, they're pretty big too. Some Varex on there. Should be a simple axle back install, should be. And then you have to wire these through the car. Give this box here, I don't know where I'm gonna mount that at. I have to look at the instructions. Everything's supposed to be plug and play. So you just plug all everything in your cigarette lighter. And then they give you these tips too. If I get inside, it has a valve that opens and closes. So that should be good too. Now without further ado, I'm gonna get the car jacked up and then I'm gonna get started on this install. All right, so we got the Flowmaster uploads on there right now. My car is actually just high enough to where I think I can do this without having to jack anything up. So I'm gonna do that. Chugged off the wheels. Got a neutral. I got it in first gear and I got the parking brake up, so it should be good. That's a 13 mil right there. We're gonna start with that. Always remember, safety first. Safety first. Oh, that's not trying to come off, huh? I ended up getting a little anxious, and instead of doing it myself, I just really want to get it on. I started it, I got to a bolt, I gave up on it. Today is not going to be more of an install video, it's going to be more of a demonstration of what it is and how you can get this same exhaust for your car and how it will sound. My car is dumb loud. Maybe do some before and afters, but we got it, everything we need in the back seat. And we should be good to go. So we're on our way to the exhaust shop. I'll see y'all when we get there. Got the car on the lift. About to get started. That's Rashawn. Man, oh man, it has been a struggle to get this thing on. It has been a real life struggle. Next day, this has been a journey to try to get this all on right. First off, the tip isn't even on. The exhaust clamps broke. So they're both kind of messed up on each side, but everything does work. I'm gonna show you that everything works right now. So you kind of see the little valve in there. Hold on. Lighten it up for y'all. You see the little valve in there. Then if I hit the button on here, here's the B button. There's an A. Opens right up. Look at that. You hit A, and you can close it ever so slightly. I hit B a bunch, or if you hit A again, and it is fully open again. So I'm gonna do a start with it fully closed and see how it sounds. I'll give you a couple revs, and I'll do the same with it fully open. Like I said, it's not done because I have to get the clamps fixed. I gotta get new clamps for it. That's why it's hanging. But other than that, we're good to go. but you can kind of see how it looks when it's all in there. Like I said, the clamps had to be broken off They didn't quite go on perfectly, but I will get everything right, and then it'll fit perfectly once I get brand new clamps. But for now, it's kind of hanging low, so I'm not going to drop it today until I get what I need, and I gotta get a new clamp for this, because for some reason this doesn't work either. So there's a little hole at the end of your bumper at the bottom here, and you just bring it up. You bring all the cords through here. Sorry for the messy trunk. Bring the cords. You bring the wires through here at the back of your trunk. You wire it up. You bring it through your back seat. Through here, through your back seat. And then it comes with this module here. You plug it in to the module. You plug the other end into the cigarette lighter. And then you got your remote. You got your remote right there. So all really easy. I'll tuck this in, make it look better later. This video was all over the place, and I apologize for that. It was a rough ride for me too. From installing it to trying to get everything right, and it's mainly because my exhaust was old and rusty, so I had to kind of stop filming at points so I could try to help out. But if you enjoyed this video, find it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, and